Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LiveChat to knowledgebase. All right, so first up, you have to log into your LiveChat account. Now go to the bottom left and then just click on apps. Okay, click on it. Now you're going to find knowledgebase. Okay, as you can see here, right off the bat, you have knowledgebase for LiveChat. If you can't find it, just use the search bar right here. Okay, I'm just going to click on it and hit on get. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you see here it says application installed successfully. Just click on open app, wait for it. And then once done, as you can see here, it automatically logs us in to our knowledgebase account. Only if your LiveChat and knowledgebase accounts are both logged in to the same browser. If it asks you to log in, just go ahead and log in. Okay, and make sure to enable the slider right here. And then once done, you should be good to go. Okay, now going back to LiveChat, as you can see here, knowledgebase is now available. Just click on it. And from here, you can go ahead and straight up go to chats or open up settings to configure it. Okay, another option is by using the custom script. Okay, for example, just go ahead over to LiveChat again, click on the gear icon. Now click on install LiveChat in here. Now copy the code. Now go ahead and go back to your knowledgebase account. Right here. Okay, now click on integrations. Wait for it. Now, if you have the paid account, you will be able to see a section, add a custom script. Okay, so what you'll do is just paste the custom script that we just copied from LiveChat to your integration section right here under knowledgebase. And also do not forget to hit on save. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.